Spam has been around for over 80 years and is popular in places like Hawaii and South Korea. But have you ever wondered how Spam cans are made? Let's take a look at the process, from the factory to your kitchen, and see why it's still a favorite today. Before we look at how Spam is made, let's take a quick look at how it became so popular. Spam was created in 1937 by the Hormel Company in Minnesota. It was made as a cheap and easy food during the Great Depression. Spam became even more popular during World War II when it was used by soldiers. Its long shelf life and easy packaging made it perfect for military rations, and it quickly became a symbol of wartime survival. During the war, Spam was sent around the world to feed soldiers. After the war, Spam became a regular part of American homes. It was marketed as a quick and easy meal that could be used in many dishes like sandwiches and casseroles. In the 1950 and 1960, Spam was featured in many commercials that highlighted its convenience and low cost. Over the years, Spam spread to other countries, especially in places like Hawaii, where it became a local favorite. Today, Spam is sold in over 40 countries and comes in different flavors, staying true to its origins while still offering new options. Spam started as a practical food, but its ability to be used in many different ways helped it become more than just an emergency meal. In countries like South Korea and the Philippines, Spam became a regular part of everyday meals, from breakfast to special feasts. Its success comes from being able to fit into different cultures and cuisines while keeping what makes it special: its simplicity, versatility, and long shelf life. Spam's story is about surviving, adapting, and staying popular, making it a pantry staple all over the world. Spam is made mainly from pork shoulder, a cut that has a good balance of lean meat and fat. This gives Spam the right texture and flavor. The pigs used for Spam are carefully chosen from farms across the U.S., where they are raised following strict guidelines to ensure their health and quality. The farming process is important because it helps keep the quality the same in every batch. Hormel works closely with these farms to make sure the meat meets their standards. Once the pork is collected, it's sent to Hormel's processing facilities, where it undergoes a thorough inspection. The meat is carefully checked for any impurities, and only the best cuts are used in production. This inspection process is crucial to ensure that every can of Spam meets the highest quality standards. The pork shoulder is then ground into a smooth paste, ready to be made into Spam. This finely ground mixture gives Spam its smooth texture, providing the consistent mouthfeel that fans enjoy. Along with pork shoulder, Spam also contains a mix of ham, salt, sugar, and sodium nitrite. These ingredients are added to boost the flavor and help Spam last longer. Sodium nitrite is important for keeping Spam safe to eat by stopping bacteria growth and preserving the meat's color. These ingredients are then blended into a smooth paste, forming the base of Spam. Hormel carefully picks these ingredients to give Spam its unique taste: savory, slightly sweet, and satisfyingly salty. Once the meat mixture is ready, it's time to shape it into its final form. The assembly line begins with the ground meat being placed into cans, which will hold the Spam during cooking. The careful preparation and quality ingredients make sure every can of Spam tastes the same, no matter where it's made. The attention to detail at each step of the process is what gives Spam its consistent taste and quality. Once the pork mixture is ready, it moves to the production line. The first step is to fill the cans. The meat mixture, along with salt and other ingredients, is packed into small cans by special machines. These machines can handle large amounts of production while making sure each can get the right amount of meat. The automated process helps avoid mistakes and keeps the filling consistent in every can. After the cans are filled, they are sealed with a metal lid to keep the freshness and flavor locked in. This sealing step is important for preserving the quality of the meat. Once sealed, the cans move on to the next stage, cooking. The cans are heated in boiling water or steam, which kills any bacteria and makes Spam safe for long-term storage. This cooking process also makes sure the meat inside is fully cooked and ready to eat. After the cans are cooked, they are quickly cooled to keep the flavor and texture of the meat. This cooling process is carefully controlled to avoid overcooking, which could affect quality. The rapid cooling helps lock in the flavor and keep the meat soft and moist. As the cans cool, they move to the labeling and packaging area, where each can is checked for any defects. If a can has a problem, it's removed from the line to maintain quality. Finally, the cans are ready to be shipped. They are packed into boxes, sealed, and sent to distribution centers worldwide. This process is carefully managed to keep Spam fresh and available to customers everywhere. The cans are packed efficiently to save space and reduce the risk of damage during shipping. Whether it's shipped locally or internationally, the Spam you see on store shelves comes from a production process that focuses on quality at every step. The canning process is key to making Spam last for a long time, so each can is ready to eat whenever you are. But how does it work? First, after the meat is packed into cans, the cans are sealed tightly with a metal lid. Special machines crimp the lid into place to make sure it stays secure. This airtight seal keeps Spam fresh and flavorful for months, even years, without needing refrigeration. The tight seal is what helps preserve the flavor and freshness. After sealing, the cans go through a heat treatment. They are placed in large pressure cookers, where steam or hot water heats them to exact temperatures. This process kills any bacteria and makes sure the meat is fully cooked and safe to eat. The heat also helps keep the flavor locked in, so every bite of Spam tastes great. The steam and pressure make sure the meat stays moist while being cooked all the way through. Once the cans are cooked, they're quickly cooled to stop the cooking and keep the meat's texture. This cooling step is key to maintaining Spam's soft and moist texture. After cooling, the cans are dried to remove extra moisture and get ready for labeling. The cooling also makes the cans safe to handle and package, which is an important step in the production process. This fast cooling helps preserve the quality of the meat inside. After drying, each can is checked one last time. They are carefully looked at for any dents, rust, or bad seals. Any flaws could affect the product, so it's important to make sure only the best cans are packaged and shipped. This attention to detail helps Spam stay known for its high quality and consistency, no matter where or when you buy it. What makes Spam's flavor so unique? The secret is in the simple ingredients. Spam seasoning includes salt, sugar, and sodium nitrite, which boost the flavor and help preserve the product. These ingredients come together to create the savory taste Spam is known for. The right balance of salt and sugar gives Spam its rich flavor, not too salty or sweet. Sodium nitrite is often debated in the food world, but it plays a key role in keeping the meat's color and preventing spoilage. It also adds to Spam's unique, savory, almost umami-like flavor, making it different from other canned meats. While there are some health concerns with sodium nitrite, it's used in small amounts in Spam and is considered safe by food safety experts. It's commonly used in many processed meats to help with both safety and flavor. The pork used in Spam also adds to its flavor. Pork shoulder, the main meat in Spam, has a good mix of fat and lean meat, giving it a juicy, rich taste. The fat helps keep Spam moist, even after being canned and stored for a long time. The specific cuts of pork are chosen to make sure every can taste the same, no matter when it's made. The packaging of Spam helps keep its flavor too. The cans are sealed tightly to keep air out, which helps keep the meat fresh. This, along with the heat treatment, makes sure the flavor stays the same in every can, whether it's your first or 50th. The canning process is a great mix of preserving the meat and keeping the flavor, so Spam always tastes fresh. Spam's lasting popularity is due to a few key reasons. First, its low cost and long shelf life made it a reliable food during tough times, especially in World War II. Over the years, it has stayed known as a convenient and versatile product, from quick snacks to filling meals. Spam's cultural importance has also helped keep it popular, symbolizing innovation and resilience in difficult times. Spam isn't just about nostalgia. It has kept up with changing tastes by offering new versions like Spam Light and Spam with bacon, while still keeping its original flavor. The brand stays relevant through marketing, pop culture mentions, and its use in different cuisines around the world. Whether it's fried for breakfast, used in sushi, or included in comfort food, Spam remains a common food in many American homes. In the end, Spam's popularity shows how it blends tradition with new ideas, keeping it loved by many generations. So, the next time you open a can, you'll know why this simple product still thrives today. Now that you've got the inside scoop on Spam, we've got to ask, do you love it as much as the rest of the world, or is there another canned meat you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty breakdowns. See you next time.